Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
In Photoshop, we have this amazing feature called the Content Aware tool. And thing is, it's not in the toolbar. Now, I'll show you where it is and how to use it. Now, you see this person in this image. I want to remove them from this image. Now, what you're going to do is pick the lasso tool, come and select this person around here. Just go all around her. It's her. Yeah, it's her. Like that. Then back. Then come to edit. At our menu here, come to edit. Then content aware fill. Now let's see what it will do. Now it's going to mask out this person from my image. As you can see from the preview, it will remove this person from this image. Now once I like the selection, I'll just click OK. And this is my final product. Now Control D to deselect, and as you can see, that's how you remove someone in a photo using the content aware tool. And yes, it can work on multiples. Now I have this image with 3 people on them. Now I want to remove all of them. So all I have to do is pick that lasso tool again, come and just go all around them. So I'll just select all of them at once. But let's say I can't select them all at once. What I can do is first select this one. So I'm first selecting these two. Delete will take you a step back. Come here. Hold down the shift key. Make another selection over here. Now holding down the shift key will add to the first selection. So right now I'm holding down the shift key, as in these are the selection over here. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then we're done. Then come to edit again, content aware fill. Now let's look at our preview. Now these are the people we have, and this is our preview. It will have masked them out. Now that's what the content aware fill tool does. It removes parts of an image that you don't want from your image. I'll click OK, and that's my final copy. Control D to deselect, and there I have an image without people in it. Now that's a pretty cool tool to use in Photoshop.